The Kind Little Girl. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Maya. She was only 8 years old. Maya had big bright eyes and a sweet smile. Everyone in the village liked her because she was kind and helpful. Maya lived with her mother and father in a small house near a green field. Every morning, she woke up early. She helped her mother clean the house and water the plants in the garden. Maya loved nature very much. She liked to watch butterflies flying over flowers. She also loved to listen to birds singing in the trees. Sometimes she sat under a big tree and read her school books. One day, while Maya was walking to school, she saw a small puppy on the road. The puppy looked hungry and tired. Maya felt very sad for the puppy. She gently picked it up and gave it some food from her lunch box. The puppy wagged its tail happily. Maya smiled and said, "Don't worry, little friend, I will help you." After school, Maya took the puppy home. At first, her mother was surprised. But when she saw how much Maya cared for the puppy, she allowed Maya to keep it. Maya named the puppy Buddhi. From that day, Buddhi followed Maya everywhere. When Maya studied, Buddhi sat beside her. When she played in the garden, Buddhi ran around happily. One evening, something unexpected happened. Maya's father was walking in the field, and suddenly dark clouds filled in the sky. A big storm started. The wind was strong and the rain fell heavily. Maya was worried because her father had not come home yet. Suddenly, Buddhi started barking loudly and ran toward the field. Maya followed him quickly. In the field, they saw that Maya's father had slept in the mud and hurt his leg. Maya quickly helped him stand up. She called for help from the villagers. Soon the villagers came and helped her father return home safely. Everyone praised Maya for her bravery and kindness. Her father smiled and said, "Maya, you have a very kind heart. Kind people make the world a better place." Maya hugged Buddhi and smiled. From that day, Maya understood something very important. A small act of kindness can make a big difference. And Maya continued to help people, animals, and nature every day. Thank you for watching this beautiful story of Maya. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share and comment for more videos.